Hey guys, welcome to Food Gobbles with me Priya. In today's video, we are going to see how to make potato cheese sandwiches. Make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and mashed, 1 teaspoon green chili, 2 small onions finely chopped, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons veg mayonnaise, which is optional. You can also avoid it. 2 cubes of cheese finely grated. You can use any cheese you prefer and mix all this until well combined. Add 2 spoons of coriander finely chopped and juice of 1 small lemon. Mix everything until combined and set aside. Now take 4 slices of bread. I have used plain white bread. Take a generous amount of the filling and apply on one side of the bread and sprinkle some cheese above it. Now cover it with another slice of bread. In the same way, prepare another sandwich and set aside. Now apply some butter on both sides of the sandwiches. Grease a hot tawa with some butter. You can also use oil if you prefer, and place the sandwiches on the tawa. Now press the sandwiches slightly so that they are cooked through inside and the cheese melts. Now check the sandwiches if they are golden brown on one side and then flip them over to cook it through the other side. Once the sandwiches are done, remove them off the flame. Cut these sandwiches into any shape you desire and serve them hot with some tomato ketchup. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.